Hi, I will quickly show you how to customize your guest list so that it will meet and fit your needs. If you click on this open arrow, click on these three dots, and enter your PIN number if you have set your PIN, you can get to the menu that allows you to customize your list. By default, as you add a guest to the list, a message will be sent as a confirmation to your guest. You can also choose to include the message for your wait time by simply selecting on the customization message and selecting your checkbox here. If you would like to have multiple types of confirmation messages, you can simply click on the plus button and add another message. You can also choose to edit or change your notification messages so that you can choose to say your to-go order is ready or to report to the greeter. You can also add other types of messages here by simply clicking this plus button. If you would like to automatically notify guests at a certain time as you've quoted them, you can choose to select this notification icon here. You can also choose to have custom messages per notification by clicking on this box here. Depending on the pager type you have, standard square type pager, the alpha or alpha staff pager, or both, you select what pager type you have here. For kiosk mode, where your guests can log in and add themselves to the list, you choose your notifications here. You can either upload a logo, give them a welcome message, what type of list they're on if you have multiple lists, and also other instructions you need to add here. You can also choose to edit your list here by selecting needing certain options. You can either make that function active or inactive. You can add it as a required field, add it to your list view, or add it to kiosk mode so that your guests can add in their own data. You can also add other types of fields like text area as in notes, options, multiple options, or other types of information. In this case, we've added a parking slot number and also notes so that they may tell you that they're parked in space number 5 behind the blue Honda. Thank you.